welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Toka Elizabeth here. Yes, that name will probably be changing because I hate it. This is my my more detailed house tour. So yeah, also some of it is not done, like one of the baby's rooms, and I still have to clutter a couple of rooms. So yeah, let's just get into it. So this is what you see when you first walk in. This is like the entry and stuff. Like, yeah. And there's like a lot of plants in this house. Don't ask why. Over here is the elevator area. I do have to fix that. I haven't done that yet. Let me think. Oh yeah. This bench is found at the movie studio. Yeah. I do have to still make the family for this house because I'm not using the original family. This is the kitchen. Also, I got this and this off of Pinterest. Most of this is all Pinterest. So this is also Pinterest. I don't know the creator of most of these. So yeah. That's the kitchen. Dining room, I did this myself. I'm getting rid of that painting. I'm putting a family photo there. That's the dining room, still have to clutter that. This I got off of Pinterest, so only this area. This is the living room. This is a cleaning cupboard. This is the outside, and I did the outside myself. So yeah, and then moving along back here and going upstairs. And we're upstairs. So over here is the bathroom. I got this whole thing off of Pinterest except for the splatters on the mirror and the stuff on the ground. And that loofah and those two. Those I put in there myself. Yeah. Yeah, so all this is off Pinterest. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah. These jars, you're gonna see some of these. They're found in the art area, in the school. The OK Street High. I think that's what it is. I don't know. I didn't have the right mirror for this one. It's more like a swervy one. I don't have the pack for that one yet. Here's the elevator area. This is the two toddlers' rooms. The boy and the girl. Yep. This is the first baby. This room is not finished. I found this and this at the hospital. And this heater is in the Christmas pack. That should be turned on. Never mind, it's too loud. This is the parents / the other baby's room. Oh yeah, also, I didn't get this off Pinterest, but I basically copied what was over here. I got this off Pinterest. And I got this off Pinterest too. So yeah. Again, hospital stuff. This yellow bag's at the post office, and it comes with that. These little bear things, this diaper. There also was a changing pad, but I don't know what I did with that. I don't remember where I put it. It might be in here. Oh yeah, it's in here. It's this. Yeah. That's, I think, it for this one. Oh. And these keys were at the post office too. Yeah, that's it for this one. This next floor is my favorite. Voila. This is the teen girls' room. So this is like the cat litter area and stuff. You have a row up there. There's gonna be more clothing. I just haven't gotten to that. All of this is off Pinterest, and it's in separate things, so it's not all the same. So like I have this like food area. I only have one drink in the fridge, and then that cooler thing. And then there's the bed. Oops. And then there's this area. And then spots for a cat to climb, and then for a cat. Yep. I don't have the Pusheen thing. I just found this off the post office, so I snatched it. And yeah, this is what I meant by you'll see these a lot, because they're like a brush holder is what I use them for. Like for makeup brushes. Oh my god. Why can I not pick it up? Hello? Girl, what? 1 second. Okay, I fixed it. Yeah, that's it for this room. Oh, and at night, like, tell me that doesn't look so cool. Anyways, to the other 2 rooms. Okay, this is, the other girl's room. Yeah, it's that. Here's a bathroom. Not much. There's another one of these things. Oh my god. And then the boys' room. I had to turn this off because I got copyrighted on one of my other videos. Whoops. Yeah. And then this is a car over here. We don't ask. Another one of the car areas is over here. I didn't realize how short this video was. But yeah, here's one of the other cars, and that's like the only one that I have in this. Jesus. Anyways, yeah. I didn't necessarily realize how short that was gonna be. So I think we're gonna make the characters. 1 second. I do have to turn this music off. There. Oh, okay, done. Let's make the characters. So I am gonna delete her and him in this one. Also, another thing with these is they changed the hairs. They swoop out now. Alright, I'm gonna record again when I'm done deleting all of these. Alright, let's create these characters. That did take a while. So, what I'm thinking for these characters is, like, I don't know. Ew, why is there green one? Is that for, like, Alpha and Glinda? Anyways. Too dark. Too light. And too orange. This is gonna take forever. Looks good with the filter, but not in reality. Let me turn my brightness up. I think the brightness on this needs to go up. That's better, okay. Looks like a pumpkin. Does that look good? Or do I... No, he looks too of a pumpkin in that too. Okay, we'll do that one. No, actually, I don't like that. Okay, I'll come back when I find the skin tone. Okay, I got it. I almost clicked end by accident. So this is the skin tone we got. It's definitely a lot different than what it shows on this. It's a lot lighter, but I did that one, this one, and I put it like there. So yeah, if you want to use it, that's the one that I used. Disability? Nah. Okay, earrings. I definitely do want to add earrings. So give me a second. I'm gonna maybe AirPods. We'll probably do AirPods. Never mind, we're just gonna do some studs. Like that, yeah. Yeah, that's good. Okay, eyes. Oh, for earrings, by the way, Jesus, for earrings I used these two. Forgot to do hair. Oh my god. There. This is gonna be a girl, so find some good hair. I think I'm gonna make this one the mom. I'll be back when I have some hair. I found a good hair. Is this just me, or did they add like so many more colors? They look so much more vibrant, but they're really not. They're kind of dull. Like, oh my god. Second thought, I'm gonna change their skin color. Oh yeah, for hair color, I did this one and like right there. And it definitely is a lot darker. She looks like a pumpkin, bro. I don't want to do that one either. Bro. I might have to change my filter that I use. I'm not even using a filter. I'm on regular filming. Oh, hey, look, you can see the reflection of the phone. Why is it blinking? Is that the one that I'm recording out of? I think it is. Wait. No, I'm recording out of this top one. So then why is this one blinking? Is the government watching me? I'm getting distracted. Whoa. I think I'm just gonna stick with kind of want them darker but lighter skinned. Ooh. This one looks good. I think I'll do that one. I think once I figure out what I'm doing for the rest of it, it'll look a lot better. Okay. For eyes, what do I want to do for... Ooh. I think I kind of want to do those. We'll keep it... Yeah, actually I do want to do these. Okay. For nose, do my classic one. That's the combo for right now. It's this one all the way up. Now I have to do eyebrows. I usually just color my eyebrows because I don't really mind how they look on the character right now. Yep, and I did that all the way down. It looks like that. What should I do for a mouth? I think I don't really want to do that because I don't want to make it seem like she's I think we'll do that. Yeah, that's good, right? And for freckles, oh my god, why are they like neon orange? Elphaba, Glinda. Elphaba, Glinda. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. That looks... And for blush, yeah, that looked good. This is what I used. I did this one and like kind of mid, but not really. And then my favorite part is adding the marks under the eyes, if I can find the correct ones. I think it's these ones, yeah, I just have to color them. I think if I make it, yeah, that looks good. Okay, and for clothing, I think for right now I'm just gonna keep this. So that's the mom done, and I'll be back. I'll film like the color code thingies or like the colors that I use, just in case you guys want to use them. But I'm gonna do the rest off film because it's already 15 minutes. So yeah, for his body, I did it a little different. I'm doing this one and kind of towards the end, and it looks like that. For the hair, I think it's the same, but using this one all the way down, and it looks like that. I am gonna give him a piercing. I think I'm just gonna give him like, I think one of, maybe stud. I think I'll give him a gold one of those. Yeah. Nose, I used the same one as always. And for coloring, I did this one all the way up. Eyebrows, I'm using this one all the way down. Looks like that.